In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to add ChatGPT to iPhone Control Center. So let's get started. Now, first of all, obviously you have to make sure that you have ChatGPT installed on your iPhone, and also make sure that you are running the latest version possible on your iPhone. So you can just go ahead to software update and make sure that you're updated to the latest version. If you're not, just go ahead and do it, okay? Now, once that is done, then let's get to the main steps. Go to your control center and click on plus, click on add a control, and then click on chat GPT. Now here you can see that I have three controls from ChatGPT, and these are built in. Like when you download ChatGPT and you go to the control center and go here, these three controls should appear by default. So we have open ChatGPT, so the app, then we have open ChatGPT voice, so you can directly start talking. Now let's say this option doesn't appear for you, or these three just don't exist for you, and that might be because you're running an older iOS version. Well, don't worry, there's still a way to get these things otherwise. And how that works is we need to have this app called Shortcuts. Just go ahead and open this app. From here, click on the plus on the top right corner and search for an action of open app. Okay, click on that, and now we have to click on this app right there and choose chat gpt. There you go. Then you can just go ahead and rename the whole thing to chat gpt. Perfect. Click on done. Then, oh, I already have, I'm gonna put something else. One second. Chat gpt, let's just make it gpt AI. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna click on done, and there we go. Now how can I bring this shortcut to my control center? Well, let me show you how. I'm gonna go ahead, click on the plus, add a control, and here I'm gonna search up shortcuts. I'm gonna click on shortcut, I'm gonna choose a shortcut, and I'm gonna choose the chat gpt AI, and I'm gonna just leave it, and I'm gonna click anywhere to exit. Now if I go up there and I click on ChatGPT AI, there you go, it opened my ChatGPT app right there. So if the built-in ChatGPT controls don't show up right there, then this is an alternative that you can do to basically get the same functionality. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.